Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming something that I get so many requests for. It's not something that I typically do because I don't usually gravitate towards these kinds of manicures, but I know a lot of you guys do. I know that nail art is having a moment right now. I know gradient nails are having a moment right now. I know ombre nails are having a moment right now. So I want to be part of the fun. I do like mixing them in every once in a while. So I thought it would be fun today to share a really beautiful fall-inspired ombre manicure using all Olive & June polishes. Obviously, I'm an Olive & June fanatic. I love their stuff. And when I was looking at my nail polish wall, I realized that I have a pretty good assortment of colors and I definitely had enough to do a really beautiful ombre. So I quickly swatched the colors before just to test them out and I absolutely love this manicure. I may start to change my mind on nail art and dabble with it a little bit more. But if you want to hang out and paint your nails with me and check out how easy it is to create a really fun, unique ombre manicure, keep watching. All right, everyone, let's get this mani started. So these are the colors that I selected for this ombre. We have LD, which is going on the thumb, MG for the index finger, Joe on the middle finger, Study Hall for the ring, and Obvi on the pinky. So I love this combination and I can't wait to see them on the nails. We are going to start out with the pinky with a coat of the glitter. Glitter can be really tricky to work with, and right off the bat I could tell this is going to need more than one coat. So we're going to start with that for now and let it dry. And then we're going to move on to our ring finger with Study Hall. This is a beautiful light pink. It's like a muted neutral. I really enjoy this color on all my fingers, but it's going to be great for this mani. We have Joe on the middle finger. This is a bit more sheer. It's like an orangey yellow, and I think it might need 3 coats. We'll see. The index finger is MG. It's a really soft peachy shade. I think 2 coats will be enough of this, but I love how this looks with the others. And then for the thumb, we have LD. This is one of my all-time favorite shades from Olive & June because, as you know, I am a mauve freak. So 1 coat of this is just about perfect. Once we're done with the first coat, you can see that they're all a bit sheer. So a second coat is going to be necessary, but we're going to go ahead right now and just do the same thing to the other hand. Now that we have 2 coats on all of our fingers, we can kind of reassess what may need a little extra color. And I do think the middle fingers are going to need a 3rd coat. So I'm going to go back in with Joe and apply a 3rd coat to those fingers, as well as the pinkies. Just 1 more coat of glitter to really make that polish pop. Then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone to remove any glitter or polish that may have gotten onto the cuticle area or the skin around the nails. And then we're going to take the super glossy top coat from Olive & June, which is the absolute best, to complete this manicure. So I'm just going to do a generous coat of this onto each of my nails and then try to cap the edge as best as I can. As you can see, I am skipping my middle and pinky fingers. Since we did do a 3rd coat on each of those nails, I want them to have a little more dry time before adding the top coat. Once the top coat has been applied to all the others, I'm going to go back and do those. That is a wrap on this beautiful, fun ombre. It's like a warm rainbow with a little pot of gold at the end. It just reminds me of the colors that we see as we end summer and move into fall. It was fun. It was easy to create. It's girly, it's flirty, it's feminine, it's unique. I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. All right, that is a wrap on this mani. It was so easy to create. Definitely got a little fall vibe to it. Early fall. I love the glitter. I love that every polish but 1 only needed 2 coats. The combo is beautiful. It's still very neutral. It's a great way to participate in the whole nail art trend without doing anything too wild or crazy or out there. I feel like it's still office appropriate. It's a really fun mani. I just love it. But that is it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and link everything that I used below, all of the colors below. Also, don't forget that I have a discount code with Olive & June. If you're interested in purchasing the full mani system or pedi system, you can take advantage of Amanda B20 at checkout for 20% off your purchase. I love how well this mani matches this sweater. I'm so happy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I recently realized that a lot of the viewers of my videos are not actually subscribed to my channel, so if you're one of those people, please go ahead and hit that button. It would mean a lot to me. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me out a ton. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you like the nail art, if you like different kinds of manis. I actually have a few really cool inspo pics that I want to recreate, some fun French manicures with different colors, some easy stuff because I know how intimidating it can be. I feel like if I can find something that I can do, you guys can definitely do it because nail art is not my strong suit, but it is really fun and it is definitely having a moment right now. Leave me a comment below letting me know if you ever do these ombre manicures. I think they're so fun. It's just a really great way to get creative. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in my next one.